Hello folks, how are you doing today? I am Dr. Jack Williamson, and through this platform we will discuss the most essential thing in your life, your health. Today we are discussing about Asthalin Inhaler. Through this discussion you will know what the use of this inhaler is, how to use it and how it treats. Let's not wait further and start right away. Asthalin Inhaler is one of those inhalers that treats both asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. There is a difference between both of these diseases. Asthma is a condition where the lungs get inflammation and that causes breathing issues, whereas in COPD, air pathways get congested and weakened, so it is a progressive lung disease that constrain airflow and thus breathing. Let's see how Asthalin Inhaler works. Asthalin Inhaler has core element called Salbutamol. Being a bronchodilator, it will calm down and open up the congested airways. It will also strengthen the weak air pathways of the lungs. At the same time, it will stop inflammation in the airways. With the working of this core element, the Asthalin Inhaler will help the user to breathe easily and smoothen the inhale and exhale process. It also reduces the chances of asthma attacks as well. Now let's see how to use Asthalin Inhaler. Asthalin Inhaler must be used by obeying your prescription. Your health provider and pharmacist will instruct you how to use it. At the same time, you will also get an instruction leaflet from the package that is provided in the inhaler package. First of all, prime the device by releasing 2 puffs of the inhaler into the air. Place the mouthpiece in your mouth between your teeth and ensure your lips are completely closed. Press the top of the inhaler and at the same time breathe in slowly and deeply using your mouth through mouthpiece. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. This will complete your puff. If more than 1 puff is suggested by the health provider, repeat the whole process, but make sure you keep 1 minute gap between the two. After inhalation, cleaning the inhaler is also extremely important. You can clean it with a dry tissue and close the device after use. After all puffs are taken, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. Now let's see the side effects. There are some side effects that an Asthalin Inhaler may bring, so you need to keep a close watch on your health. If you see anyone staying for long, contact your health provider and get further treatment. Tremors, headaches, palpitations, increased heart rate, muscle cramps, respiratory tract inflammation, respiratory tract infection, cough and others. Please note that this is not a complete list of the side effects. There could be more than these. You can ask your health provider for the complete list. Now let's understand the precautions attached to this inhaler. If you have other health conditions, you must discuss them with your health provider. If you are allergic to the core element of this inhaler or you are allergic to any other medicine, you must inform your health provider in advance. Understand the use of the inhaler well before you start. Inform your complete health history well in advance. Do not change the dose, stop or start taking the inhaler without consulting your health provider. I think now you have the in-depth detail regarding the Asthalin Inhaler through this discussion. You know how to use it, the treatment, the side effects and precautions. Friends, the information shared here is for knowledge and it is not authorized medical advice. And remember, we are not promoting any medicine or treatment here. We are just sharing some informations. So you must consult your doctor before using any medicine or starting any treatment. So that is it for now. I will see you in some other video and on another topic. Until then, if you have liked this video, appreciate our efforts by subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and comment. Let us know what you feel about the video. You can also suggest what topic we should make a video on. Do not forget to share it with your family and friends and let them know about the Asthalin Inhaler. Be alert, be healthy.